Hello students, in this video we are going to learn 10th standard maths chapter 3 algebra exercise 3.19 fifth question. Look at the fifth question. Given that a equal to 1, 3, 5 minus 1. So this is our 2 by 2 matrix. 2 rows, 2 columns. So this is our 2 by 2 matrix. B equal to 1 minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 2. So we are having 2 rows and 3 columns. So our B matrix is 2 by 3 matrix. And then C equal to 1, 3, 2 minus 4, 1, 3. So this is also our 2 by 3 matrix. 2 rows, 3 columns. Okay. Verify that A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC. So in this problem we are going to verify these two statements are equal or not. Okay. So first we have to find out the value for LHS and we have to find out the value for RHS. So at the last step we have to verify whether those two statements, those two values are equal or not. Okay. So now we are going to find out the value for the LHS. So LHS A into B plus C. Now we are going to find out the value for this matrix A into B plus C. So before going that we have to find out the value for this bracket item. What is given in our bracket? B plus C. So our first step is to find out B plus C. So what is B here? 1 minus 1 2 3 5 2 and then plus what is our C here? 1 3 2 minus 4 1 3. Now we are going to add these two matrices. So how will you add two matrices? Add first entry with the first entry and then second entry with second entry. So in like that you have to add those two matrices. Okay. 1 plus 1 2 minus 1 plus 3 minus 1 plus 3 is nothing but again 2. 2 plus 2 4. 3 minus 4. These two are different signs, no? So we have to subtract. 4 minus 3 1. Put the greater number sign. So 4 is our greater number. The sign of 4 is minus. So minus 1. And then 5 plus 1 6. 2 plus 3 5. So this is our B plus C. Now we are going to find out the product of A and this B plus C matrix. So A into B plus C. So first you have to write down the matrix A. What is A here? 1, 3, 5 minus 1 into what is our B plus C? 2, 2, 4 minus 1, 6, 5. First you have to check the order of the product matrix. Okay. In our first matrix we are having 2 rows 2 columns. In our second matrix we are having 2 rows 3 columns. So the number of columns in our first matrix and the number of rows in the second matrix, these two are matching. Therefore the product will definitely exist. Okay. So what is our order of the product matrix? Our order of the product matrix is 2 by 3. In our resultant matrix, we are having 2 rows and 3 columns. That is the meaning for that one. Okay. So now we are going to find out the product of these two matrix. How will you find out the product? So in our product matrix, we are having 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay. So our first entry. How will you find out the first entry? Take your first row in the first matrix and first column in the second matrix. Multiply those two. So 1 into 2, 2. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. That's all. This is our first entry of the product matrix. And then how will you find out the second entry of the product matrix? Take again first row. Multiply this first row by second column. So 1 into 2, 2. 6 3s are 18, so plus 18. So this is our second entry of the product matrix. How will you find out the third entry? We are having 3 columns, no? So in our product matrix, we are having 3 columns. Understood? So here we are having one more entry. So take your first entry, multiply this first entry by third column. So 1 into 4, 4, 5 3s are plus 15. That's all. Again, come to the next row. We are having second row. Take second row in the first matrix, multiply with second row by each and every column of the second matrix. Understood clearly? So, take this second row, multiply the second row with the first column. 5 2s are 10, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. That's all. And then take second row with second column. 5 2s are 10, minus 1 into 6, minus 6. That's all. And then take second row, multiply with second row by third column. 5 4s are 20, minus 1 into 5, minus 5. That's all. If you have one more row in this third matrix, means you have to multiply that row by each and every column of the second matrix. Understood? So, now we are having just 2 rows. Therefore, in our product matrix, we are having also 2 rows. Okay, understood clearly? Now we are going to simplify this matrix. 2 minus 3. These two are different signs numbers. So you have to subtract those two numbers. 3 minus 2, 1. Bigger number, greater number is 3. Sign of 3 is minus 1. And then 18 plus 2, 20. 15 plus 4, 19. 10 plus 1, 11, 10 minus 6, 4, 20 minus 5, 15. So, this is our LHS answer, A into B plus C. Our next step is to find out the value for the RHS. So, RHS is nothing but AB plus AC. So, in this statement, we are having 2 terms. Am I correct? So, now we are going to find out the value for each and every term. So, first you have to find out the value for AB. AB is nothing but you have to write the matrix A at the first and then matrix B second. Multiply those 2 matrices. So, how will you multiply those 2 matrices? The order of the matrix A is 2 by 2. The order of matrix B is 2 by 3. So, number of columns in A and number of rows in B, those two are matching. Therefore, our product matrix, order of our product matrix is nothing but the remaining order. So, 2 by 3. So, in our resultant matrix, we are having 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay. It will become 2 rows and 3 columns. Now, we are going to multiply these 2 matrices. Take first row and first column, that is your first entry. Okay, 1 into 1, 1, 3 into 3, 9, so plus 9. And then multiply this first row by second column, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 3 5s are plus 15. Again multiply this first row by third column, so 1 into 2, 2, 3 2s are 6, plus 6. That's all. And then take second row in the matrix A. So, multiply the second row by the first column. 5 into 1, 5, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. And then multiply the second row by second column. 5 into minus 1, minus 5, minus 1 into 5, again minus 5. And then multiply the second row by third column. 5 2s are 10, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. That's all. So, now we are going to simplify this matrix. 9 plus 1, 10, 15 minus 1, 14, 6 plus 2, 8, 5 minus 3, 2, minus 5, minus 5. These two are same sign numbers. So, you have to add those two numbers and then put the same sign. So, minus 10. And then 10 minus 2 is nothing but 8. So, this is our product matrix AB. Again, now we are going to find out the value for AC. So, write the matrix A and then write the matrix B. So the order of the matrix A is 2 by 2. Order of the matrix C is 2 by 3. So number of columns in A is 2. Number of rows in C is also 2. So those two are matching. Therefore, in the product matrix, it will be having 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay. Now we are going to multiply both the matrices. So take first row, multiply with first row by each and every column of the second matrix. First row, first column. Multiply first row with first column. 1 into 1, 1. 3 into minus 4, minus 12. So first entry is over. Come to the second entry. Multiply the first row with second column. 1 into 3, 3. 3 into 3, 3 into 1 plus 3. Again first row, third column. So 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 3s are 9. That's all. And then take second row. Multiply the second row by each and every column of the second matrix. So 5 into 1, 5. Minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4. And then 5 into 3, 15. Minus 1 into plus 1, minus 1. And then 5 2s are 10. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. That's all. Now we are going to simplify this matrix. So these two are different signs numbers. So you have to subtract 12 minus 1, 11. Put the greater number sign. So 12 is our greater number. So minus 11. 3 plus 3, 6. 9 plus 2, 11. 5 plus 4, 9. 15 minus 1, 14. 10 minus 3, 7. That's all. This is our 2 by 2 matrix. Now we are going to add these two matrices. So that is our RHS, no? So AB plus AC. What is our AB answer? 10, 14, 8, 2, minus 10, 8. Plus minus 11, 6, 11, 9, 14, 7. This is our second matrix. Now we are going to add these two. So what will you get? 10 minus 1, minus 11, minus 1. 14 plus 6, 20. 11 plus 8, 19. 9 plus 2, 11. 14 minus 10, 4. 7 plus 8, 15. So this is our RHS answer. So now we are going to check whether both the answers, that means LHS and RHS, are equal or not. So what is our LHS here? Minus 1, 20, 19, 11, 4, 15. Our RHS answer is also minus 1, 20, 19, 11, 4, 15. Therefore, here I am going to write the answer, final answer. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS, hence verify. That's all. Thank you, students.